May I have your full name?
Yes, my name is Shivani Mehla.
And where are you from?
I am from a village, Mehmadpur.
Okay, Shivani. My name is Dushyant Sani and I am your interviewer today. I will take your interview in 3 sections: introductory, cue card, and follow-up questions. You will be given 1 minute to prepare a cue card topic. So, shall I start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do people in your area frequently use cars?
Yes, of course. I hail from a remote area, but the people have the tendency to use car frequently because their income sources are good.
Do you have a car at home?
No, I don't have personal car at home, but there is a car which is my family car.
Do you drive a car?
No, I don't drive a car because I don't have license, and even I don't try to learn how to drive a car, so I don't know about this.
Do you feel fascination towards stylish cars?
Yes, whenever I see any stylish car on the road and in any movies, I feel very fascinated toward that cars.
Which car would you like to buy in future?
Well, there are a number of cars in the market and which I like most, but in near future I want to purchase Swift Desire car. It is most attractive car and the feature of this car is very good and it is very cheapest among all cars.
Okay, Shivani, that's the end of your introductory sections. So I'm moving to a cue card. And your topic of cue card is describe one thing which you can't live without. You have to speak what it is, how you depend on it, why it is so important for you, and explain how its unavailability would affect you. Here is your notebook. You have 1 minute to prepare it.
Thank you, sir. Shall I start, sir?
Yes, of course.
Well, there are a number of things without which I can't imagine my life, but here I would like to talk about one of the most important things which is very crucial for me. It is my smartphone. I depend on my smartphone in various ways. First of all, I use my smartphone for my study purpose. With the help of my smartphone, I do my study in very well way. I watch many videos related to my study as well as attend online lectures also with the help of my mobile phones. Apart from this, it is very helpful for me searching any vocabulary words. Moreover, I also depend on my mobile phone for my entertainment purpose. I mostly watch many serials on my smartphone as well as I use it to listen to music because I love listening to music and I mostly prefer my smartphone for listening to music. And last one is that I also use my mobile phone for the searching any way whenever I go in that type of area regarding which I am very unfamiliar at that time. I prefer to use my mobile phone for the mobile phone map on. And last but not least, my mobile phone is also very important for me. Without my mobile phone, my life is totally halt because there are various all things which I do by my mobile phones. So that's why my mobile phone is important for me.
Okay, Shivani, I'm moving to the last section, which is follow-up questions. Okay. What role TV plays in people's lives?
Well, TV play a very crucial role in people's life. With the help of TV, people can interact with the world happening as well as they can also interact with the new product which can launch in the market.
Are people addicted to watching TV?
I think yes, but nowadays it happened little bit, because nowadays people are mostly engaging in their mobile phone in place of their TV.
There are hundreds of TV channels nowadays. Do you think that such a huge number is really required?
I don't think so, because many of channels are not useful for us, because they show unimportant thing on their channel which is not good for the viewers, and they gain lots of unviolent things from with the help of them.
Is it possible to avoid the influence of TV on people's mind?
Yes, we can do this by taking some actions. First of all, it is the responsibility of parents to encourage their children to involve in outdoor activities or games, apart from that engaging in TV cartoons and like any serials. And moreover, government also play a role to encourage children to start with campaign. They can do this.
What is the future of TV viewership considering the increasing popularity of internet resources?
In my point of view, the future of the TV ownership is decline, because nowadays the mostly task is done by mobile phone, their smartphone. They mostly prefer their smartphone in case of entertainment, study purposes, searching map. So I think yes, that number of TV viewership decline in upcoming years.
Okay, Shivani, that's the end of your interview. Thank you. Have a nice day.